So tutakuwa na teams kama 4 ambayo ni za primary schools. Tuko na team 4, tuko na team 4 pia za high school category ambazo zitakuwa na mechi hiyo tarehe 9. From last year to this year I think we are more prepared because the break had a lot of issues because you find that many players were not on point, had not trained for long, but this time round we have a national coach. We have a coach from the national rugby who is called Foxy, who has been coaching the young boys, our team, for the last 2 months. So I believe that we are very, very well prepared. And in terms of also the organization, this time round we have really organized ourselves. Itakuwa hii weekend inakuja, italeta a very big impact in terms of economy, kwa sababu we expect traders to come in. We have so many vendors who are coming to sell their merchandise, and also in terms of talent, we expect scouts from the national team and from other teams, other big teams, to come in and see that, get our boys, see if they are fit, they can take them to their clubs. Kwa sasa, as we all know, we have a new team in the rugby management, the KRU, who I think wenye wako sasa wako very enthusiastic in terms of development, and especially that is why even they sanctioned this event, and I believe that they are really looking forward to nurturing young talent and having more, giving us more support on the ground. Watu kama kutoka nationwide, kutoka divisions zote na championship, I think they have really promised us a lot, and I believe that we are going back to the seventh, the national sevens. Tutarudi kwa World Championship soon.
Tuna sukuru cia primary ira take part in that category. Tuna Kangaroo DB, kwina Motos, kwina EVC na kwina Urban. Alafu ngina kwina ladies team irathaka on 9th nigo ko develop rugby in this region. Na tuna high school category. Cia high school Kangaroo na All Saints mara represent Embu County in East Africa level in Rwanda in August. Ona ni mara ya kanya gaka kwa kuthaka rugby on 9th. Kogo ni tura andu mauke on 9th mone ciana ikithaka. On 10th na 11th ni senior category. Varia kugako kwena team nene ire ithakaga Kenya Cup na ire producaga players in the national team koka kuthaka. Ne vutu ina Nondis, tuina Strathmore, tuina Nakuru RFC na nyenge i-confirmite on 10th na 11th. Embu RFC ona tutu ya prepare muno kavinda gaka ni turanda goca gikombe niguo tuoni andu a Embu County ati rugby nira grow te category cia junior category kuria turona Embu County ge produce team ku East Africa.
Tina Embu7 ni koretwo ina uteithio mwingi muno kwionjoria thiini wa Embu tondu karoria event ino ya thondekwo ino ciothe kwa cie fully booked. Keguo ne korekireta a lot of money na te hoteli theri nginya transport andu boda ku transport andu kul mareta gukonjokire koragwe transportation. Keguo in trade Embu ne koreke benefit a lot tondu ko twina so many fans all over Kenya.